Hello, and welcome to COGITO. COGITO is a self-help app that has been developed for people with mental health problems, but is also meant for people who feel well and want to maintain their mental stability. The app was developed by psychologists at the University Medical Center Hamburg, who have been involved for years in the development of treatments for mental health problems. The app can be used in combination with other treatments or as standalone self-help treatment. The app is also suitable for bridging the wait time for therapy or follow-up care after therapy is completed. This video explains the functions and structure of the app. The app can be downloaded free of charge from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. After it is downloaded, the language setting opens after the Start screen. Here you can select your preferred language. You can choose from over 10 languages. After this, decide which program packages you want to activate. The basic package is called Mood and Self-Esteem. You can also activate exercises related to other topics, such as psychosis or gambling problems. Even if you do not suffer from any of these mental health problems, we suggest you activate all of the program packages because the exercises can be helpful for anyone. Now, choose the times of day you would like to receive daily reminders of the app exercises. You can select 1 or 2 times per day. The app instructions then open and show you how the app works and its different features. Here is an important note. 2 scientific studies have proven the effectiveness of the app on self-esteem and well-being. After the instructions, you will get to the Start page. There you will see a daily quote, the number of exercises you have already completed, an umbrella symbol depicting your long-term protection through the app, and, very importantly, your current daily exercise. You can read and do this exercise right now. After the countdown timer at the end of the exercise has run out, mark the exercise as read. You can also edit the exercise using the pencil icon, mark it as a favorite using the star, or deactivate it using the button on the right if you do not like the exercise. After you click on Read, the exercise is added to your completed exercises. As you do more exercises, you earn higher-level medals. You will find an overview of the medals you have earned under the dashboard item on the bottom right. If you complete many exercises, you can earn a bronze, silver, or gold medal in 1 week. If you want to do more than 2 exercises in 1 day, you will find a random selection of additional exercises under New Exercises. In the library, the exercises are sorted by category. There you can also see which exercises you have already done. These have blue check marks on the right-hand side. Your edited and self-created exercises are saved in the category My Exercises. Under Favorites, you will find the exercises that you have marked with a star. If you want to create a completely new exercise, click on the orange button, Add Your Exercise. Here you can add your own photo in addition to the exercise text. This way you can customize the app. You can also mark the exercise as a favorite so that it appears more often. You can access the app instructions and the language, program package, and reminder settings at any time via the menu on the left. In addition, you will also find emergency numbers here in case you are in an acute crisis. If you are in a crisis, the app alone is not sufficient. At the very bottom, via the button About Us, you can learn about the researchers who developed and translated the app. By the way, we do not store any of your personal data. Protecting your data is our highest priority. So now you can start with the app. Get started right away.